Did you know that over 40% of travelers report feeling uncomfortable during their flight? And get this, most of them don't realize that simple changes to their carry-on can make a huge difference. Whether it's your seat, food, or personal space, there are secret hacks that can turn a stressful flight into a smooth and relaxing journey. In this video, we're diving into travel secrets that will change the way you think about flying. From genius packing tips to comfort tricks and snack hacks, you'll learn how to make the most out of your time in the air. Say goodbye to long waits at the airport, uncomfortable seats, and the dreaded airplane food. Ready to discover how you can fly smarter and more comfortably? Let's unlock the secrets together. Stay tuned for simple, easy-to-apply tips that will make your next flight feel like a breeze. Chapter 1. The Art of Packing Light. Secrets to breeze through security when it comes to air travel. The key to comfort starts long before you board the plane. Packing light is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to make your journey smoother. Imagine breezing through security without waiting in long lines because you have a carry-on that fits easily in the overhead bin or under your seat. Studies show that travelers who pack light are 40% less stressed than those lugging oversized bags. Start by making a list of what you truly need. This reduces overpacking and prevents you from carrying extra weight. A good rule of thumb is, if you can't wear it multiple times, leave it behind. Rolling clothes instead of folding them can save space and reduce wrinkles. Experts say this simple trick can save up to 30% more space in your bag. Next, pack versatile items. A black jacket can work for almost any occasion, and shoes should be chosen with comfort in mind. The less you pack, the easier it is to move around and fit your bag into tight overhead compartments. An often overlooked tip is to use packing cubes. These small, zippered bags organize your clothes and help you stay organized while saving space. Also, use the opportunity to pack travel-sized toiletries. Most airlines only allow 3.4 ounces per container, but smaller bottles can help you avoid the hassle of liquids at security. With the right size containers, you can travel lighter while still having everything you need. Remember, your carry-on is your friend, not your foe. According to a recent study, travelers who pack only a carry-on can cut their airport wait time by 25%. That's a quarter of your travel time saved. Keep your essentials in easy-to-reach pockets, like your phone, headphones, and any medications. You'll breeze through security and start your journey stress-free. Chapter 2. The 5-Minute Lounge. DIY comfort hacks for every seat. Have you ever felt cramped in your airplane seat, staring at the tiny tray table, wishing for a little more room? You're not alone. In fact, over 60% of air travelers report discomfort during long flights. But with a few simple tricks, you can turn your economy seat into a personal lounge. First, take advantage of your jacket or scarf. Use it as an extra cushion for your lower back or to provide neck support when you're trying to catch a nap. Rolling up a hoodie or scarf and placing it behind your neck is a simple yet effective way to get comfortable. If you're trying to sleep, use a blanket, or even a scarf, to cover your eyes. Blocking out the light will trick your body into relaxing faster. Another game-changing hack is using a travel pillow, but not just any pillow. Opt for one that wraps around your neck and chin, keeping your head upright. This is especially helpful for naps, preventing that dreaded head bobbing that often wakes you up during flights. If you don't have a neck pillow, try the pillow in your shirt trick. This involves tucking a soft pillow inside your shirt for extra neck support. If you're flying on a longer journey, try adjusting your seat as much as possible. Most modern airplanes have adjustable footrests. If yours does not, use your carry-on bag as a footrest. A small footrest or even a rolled-up jacket can provide extra relief and help circulation during the flight. Also, stretch every few hours. In fact, according to the Mayo Clinic, sitting for long periods increases the risk of blood clots and can strain your back. Stretching your legs or walking around the cabin, even briefly, can make a big difference. When you return to your seat, sitting up straight, with your feet flat on the floor, improves posture and reduces discomfort. Lastly, don't overlook the power of hydration. Airplane cabins are often dry, which can lead to headaches and fatigue. Drinking water regularly helps to reduce these symptoms and keeps your skin from getting dry. Avoid alcohol or excessive caffeine as they can further dehydrate your body. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next genius hack. Chapter 3. Tech Tricks. The ultimate gadgets to boost your flight comfort in today's tech-driven world. There are gadgets for almost everything, including making your flight experience more comfortable. Let's dive into the top devices that will turn your flight into a more pleasant experience. First on the list is noise-canceling headphones. Studies show that noise-canceling technology can reduce environmental noise by up to 80%. That's a game-changer, especially when you're trying to relax or sleep. Whether you're listening to music, watching a movie, or just trying to block out the airplane hum, these headphones will help you focus. Another travel essential is a portable phone charger. A dead battery mid-flight is frustrating, especially when you want to use your phone for entertainment. Keep a small, high-capacity charger in your bag. These can often charge your phone multiple times, keeping you powered up for the entire flight. Some models even have extra adapters for tablets or laptops. To make in-flight sleep easier, consider a travel pillow with a built-in sleep mask and noise-canceling earbuds. These all-in-one sleep systems are becoming popular for those who want to block out the world and get some rest. These gadgets don't take up much space but can significantly improve your comfort level. Also, don't forget to bring a small, portable footrest. They're an easy way to relieve pressure on your legs and provide more comfort during long flights. Many come in compact, inflatable designs that fit easily in your carry-on. Lastly, a compact portable fan can make all the difference. Airplane cabins can get warm, especially during long-haul flights. A small fan can keep you cool without taking up much space. Choose one with a rechargeable battery, and you're set for hours of relief. If you're finding these travel hacks useful, make sure to subscribe for more awesome tips to make your flights even better. Chapter 4. Gourmet in the Sky. Elevate your mealtime with smart snacks. When it comes to in-flight meals, the options are often bland or downright unappealing. But with a little preparation, you can enjoy gourmet snacks on your flight that keep you energized without sacrificing taste. The key is to plan ahead and pack items that are both satisfying and healthy. Start with protein-packed snacks like nuts or trail mix. A handful of almonds, cashews, or a mix with dried fruit is not only easy to pack but will keep you full longer. According to a study from Harvard Health, protein can help regulate your blood sugar, preventing the energy crashes that often accompany airplane food. Another great option is hard-boiled eggs, which are portable and packed with protein. Don't forget fresh fruit. Apples, grapes, and bananas are easy to carry, and they provide a natural energy boost. Avoid fruits that can bruise easily, like peaches or berries. While some might think fresh fruit is too messy for travel, it's actually a refreshing, healthy snack that beats sugary granola bars or chips any day. Just make sure you pack them in a way that prevents squashing. For those with a sweet tooth, healthy alternatives can satisfy your cravings without adding too much sugar. Consider dried fruits like apricots, figs, or mangoes. These provide natural sugars and fiber, which can help with digestion, especially on long flights. Avoid overly sugary snacks that can spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling sluggish later. A handy snack that's also filling is a wrap or sandwich. Whole grain wraps filled with lean meats, avocado, and veggies can keep you full for hours. Just avoid anything too greasy or messy, as it may cause discomfort during the flight. If you're vegan or vegetarian, hummus and veggie wraps are an excellent alternative. Pack everything in resealable bags or small containers to make things easier and neater. You can even prep multiple snacks for your trip, ensuring you stay fueled throughout the flight. Avoid packing anything that could spill or leak, as cleaning it up on an airplane is a hassle. Lastly, make sure to stay hydrated. Airplane cabins are notoriously dry, and you might not realize just how thirsty you are until you land. Bring an empty water bottle through security, and fill it up at the gate. This small but effective step will help you feel better throughout your flight. Chapter 5. Beyond the Seat. Creating a first-class experience with simple hacks. You don't need to book a first-class ticket to feel like you're flying in luxury. With a few simple hacks, you can transform your economy seat into a more comfortable and premium experience. From clever uses of your carry-on to seat adjustments, These strategies will make a world of difference. First, get comfortable with your seating position. Many airplane seats are adjustable, but you can make them even more comfortable by using your neck pillow as lumbar support. Placing it behind your lower back helps reduce pressure on your spine and provides extra comfort. If your seat reclines, make sure to adjust it at an angle that suits you for the longest possible comfort. One often overlooked trick is using your carry-on bag to create more space. When you're not using it, slide it under your seat. It'll create more room for your legs, giving you the freedom to stretch out and move around. This simple step can instantly make your space feel less cramped. A travel blanket or extra scarf can double as a footrest. If your seat doesn't have a built-in footrest, try using your extra clothing or blanket to create one. Place it under your feet for extra comfort, which can help improve circulation and reduce swelling during long flights. Consider downloading calming apps or playlists before your flight. Relaxation music, white noise, or guided meditation can create a more peaceful atmosphere. Studies have shown that listening to calming sounds can lower stress levels and even help you fall asleep faster. For a real first-class experience, bring a sleep mask. If you're not in a window seat, it can be difficult to block out cabin lights, especially on overnight flights. A quality sleep mask can turn the cabin's bright lights into total darkness, helping you drift off more easily. Bringing a neck pillow that supports your chin is another way to make your seat feel like a premium one. It keeps your head from tilting forward during naps, preventing that uncomfortable, stiff neck feeling. If you're flying overnight, consider wearing compression socks. These help improve blood circulation, which is especially important when you're sitting for hours. Not only do they improve comfort, but they also reduce the risk of blood clots, a common issue during long flights. Lastly, make sure your carry-on includes a small toiletry kit. Refresh yourself during the flight with facial wipes, deodorant, or even a toothbrush. These simple acts of self-care will help you feel fresh and comfortable, even on long flights. Chapter 6. Stretch, relax, and refresh. In-flight wellness hacks. In-flight wellness is often overlooked, but it's one of the most important factors in ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable flight. Sitting for long periods, breathing in dry air, and experiencing cramped quarters can all lead to discomfort and fatigue. But with these simple wellness hacks, you'll arrive feeling refreshed instead of drained. First, let's talk about hydration. Cabin air can be incredibly dry, which can leave you feeling thirsty and fatigued. But drinking water regularly can help you stay energized throughout your flight. The CDC recommends drinking at least 8 ounces of water for every hour of flight time. To make sure you're getting enough, keep your water bottle within arm's reach. Stretching is another key element in staying comfortable. Sitting for hours can lead to stiff muscles and poor circulation. You can do simple stretches right at your seat to relieve tension. Stretch your legs, roll your shoulders, or even do neck rotations to keep your muscles flexible and loose. Just a few minutes every hour will make a significant difference. Don't forget to get up and walk around the cabin. When possible, take a quick stroll to get the blood flowing. This can help prevent leg swelling and reduce your risk of developing blood clots. Experts recommend standing up and moving around every 2 hours, especially on long-haul flights. Compression socks are a wellness must-have for frequent flyers. They're designed to help maintain proper circulation and reduce swelling in your feet and legs. According to the Mayo Clinic, wearing compression socks can also reduce your risk of deep vein thrombosis, DVT, during long flights. A small investment in a quality pair can make your journey much more comfortable. Next, focus on your mental well-being. Flying can be stressful, so it's important to manage your stress levels. Meditation or deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind. Download a few apps or guided sessions before you board. Studies show that practicing mindfulness can reduce anxiety and help you sleep better on flights. If you're prone to motion sickness, consider bringing ginger or peppermint lozenges. Both have been proven to reduce nausea. Try sucking on them throughout the flight to prevent discomfort. You can also ask the flight attendants for a sick bag if you start feeling unwell. Many airlines are accommodating when it comes to motion sickness. Lastly, don't forget to care for your skin. Airplane cabins tend to dry out your skin, leading to irritation and dryness. Use a good moisturizer and apply lip balm frequently. These small steps will leave you feeling fresh, and your skin will thank you when you land. Subscribe now to get more travel tips and tricks that will make every flight better.